Hello friends, I'm Bruce and now I will show you how to set the alarming call. And first you can enter the menu and set a phone number that you want it to call when it alarm. And you can see I just set a number 185 and the tail number is 4713, and I just test it by the phone function. And you can see here is the same number 185 and the tail number is 4713. I just make a call, and here is the phone. You can see here is the call. Just end the call and the call ends. So the function is normal now for calling, and now we test the alarming call, and I have configured this motion sensor to the panel already, and so I can just test it together, and I just arm the system.
System disarming. Sys 0, 1, zone. System alarming.
You can see the call is going through.
System alarming. System disarming.
And I just disarm the alarm panel and the call ends. So the function is like this, and I use a 4G SIM card, but the panel shows the 2G. Because the 4G SIM card can use the 4G signal. Thank you for watching.